What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning back in to Project CL500. Today I'm going to try to figure out what's going on with this power steering issue I've been having. As some of you may know in earlier videos, my power steering went out, so I've been pretty much riding with no power steering, which to me it really doesn't bother me too bad. But if anybody else wants to drive the car, which really nobody else does but me, it'll be a challenge for them. But yeah, we're gonna get up under here, look under the car. I got the car lifted up on the ramps, as you can see. We're gonna get up under here and look and see if we see anything leaking from the rack and pinion, because I was told that might be the case, because I haven't seen any leaks from my lines or my pump. Pump isn't making any weird noises or anything. Everything's running fine. Basically, there's no power steering, so I got to figure out what's going on with it. If I got to replace the pump, then I guess that's what I got to do, but I'm trying to avoid that. So let's get to it. All right, I took the panel off. There are just a few bolts here that you got to take out. You have to use a 10 millimeter and a 5/16 socket to get this skid plate off from underneath. But let's go ahead and take a look. See if we see any leaks. Don't see any leaks on the boot. Everything looks dry. Yeah, I really don't see any leaks on here. Not sure exactly what the problem with this would be. Only other thing I could think of, it has to be the pump. But my ABC hydraulic suspension still works, so that's what's got me stumped. As you can see on this side, the boot is completely dry. It's not torn. It actually looks in pretty good shape, so I don't know, guys. If you got any suggestions, any comments, just comment below. Maybe you guys can help me out. Try to figure out what's going on with this. Because, like I said, I'm not the best mechanic in the world, but I know my way around the car pretty good. So, this one has me stumped. Alright, over here on the driver's side again, you can look at the boot. It's really no visible leaks, no tears in the boot. You have a little something right there. Let me see if I can get a light on that. Okay, I thought this was something, but there's just a little bit of gunk on here. Let's see if I can get a light up in here so you can see. This is covered, but I mean, I really don't think it has anything to do with it. See how much light I can get up under here. Yeah, guys, I'm really stumped on this one. Yeah, I'm stumped, guys. I'm part of a group on Facebook that gives really good information on these cars, so I'm probably going to consult with them, see what I can figure out. Like I said, man, we're going to figure this out one way or another. I'm not the best mechanic in the world, but I'm pretty good when it comes to messing with cars. Eventually I'll figure it out what the problem is. So, I mean, one way or another, we'll get this fixed. Like I said, man, I'm not low at all. Actually, kind of over full. But, I mean, it's got plenty of fluid in there, so it's not really leaking. That's what made me think it could be the rack and pinion. Something going on. Like I said, it's not leaking anywhere from the pump. So, see if I can get a light in there. It's really hard to tell. So I mean, there's no crack in the reservoir. All the hoses or lines are good. Like I said, I got plenty of fluid in there. It's just the power steering. It's just, I don't know, it's just not acting right. What I'll do is I'll button it back up, put everything back together, crank her up, and let you guys hear it, see what it's doing. We'll go from there.
So, guys, this is quite good. So, don't you see him? He's doing a good job. He got the keys over there. And, like, he's like being a good person. Like, I know it's outside and it's bugs outside. Like, they're trying to attack me.
Alright guys, let me show you exactly what's going on when I turn the steering wheel. You can see it's pretty hard to turn. It's like driving a race car. So, not sure what to do about this, but I'm going to consult with a few people, see what answers I can come up with, and possibly if I have to replace the pump. But like I said, if I do that, if I go that route, I'm going to go ahead and replace the suspension and put coilovers on it. Something I've been wanting to do anyway. So, well, I guess that's it for this video. As soon as I get an answer, I'll make another video and get back with you guys, and we'll go from there. All right, everybody stay safe. Peace.